Maayong buntag everyone. This is Luigi Operario and ito basically yung optimized guide an observations manotice ko lang ba kung mag-jeep. So 'di ba? Let's start off with some certain areas sa jeep. Like for example, uh, most commonly this is where I mostly sit kasi mas practical for me is yung back near the entrance which I call the shallow end ng jeep. So basically best fit mo to if you want like kung fast in and out, which is why prefer ko to na spot ba kung mag like daily commute. It's like ito yung spot na parang good pang in and out talaga. Like you're gonna want to move here ba if you're like for example kung meron ka dito sa far end na sa jeep, you're gonna wanna move dito ba kung malapit like palapit ka na sa exit. And like essentially that is the game plan ba if you're gonna sit anywhere else besides this spot. uh, Yan yung most common meta na manotice ko sa jeep ba. So especially kung dito kay ito, of course parang prime elderly spot man din ito, so make sure to give way. Manotice ko good kung especially sa mga estudyante kay kahit elderly they'd want to move sa mga farther end, which is what I think is a massive a massive telling of who you are as a person. Dito good sa likod, best if you pay early unless mag 1 2 3 ka, which I highly disagree on kasi ang driver dito mag yan siya. He has a job. This is his job. This is his way of feeding his family. You wouldn't want to hate on another man's way of living ba. Okay, next is a prime spot ito, like prime meta ito pang ba, like prime meta spot pang tulog kasi good, uh, it's like very like tucked in, especially kung like payat ka ba, like me, ka, makalin ka lang, like you save so much space kung magtulog ka dito ba, especially. Now next is let's go to the middle rows. Now dito kasi you're basically signing yourself up to be the prime plete handler. So dito good sa middle row, you're signing yourself up to be the prime plete handler. Uh, for those na di kayo ga-commute is basically yung good, kung magbayad kay ikaw magbigay. Yeah, basically ang magbigay ba. Parang good, diri jud ka maka-handle og mga plete mostly. Tapos ang problema dire kay di kay katulog dire. Ang prime jud nga method dire kay kung na kay bag ba, magtulog ka sa bag nimo. Tapos ang problema po dire kay dapat kabalo ka mo adjust ba kung naka dire nakalingkod. Kasi the thing is, this is the prime spot na like most common spot everyone's gonna get sa jeep. So you're gonna wanna learn how to adjust from left to right. Fair game ba kung kung like after a long day, socially acceptable talaga magpunta dito kay alang nagkapoy man ka. Pero kung sayo sa buntag tapos nagagdala, pwede na ka pwede ka mag either or. Nothing's really long if like wrong if you go from both ways. Tapos dito, yeah, yung about yung this not being a prime sleeping spot. Kay alangan, pwede rin po ka magtulog sa bars, di ba? Ang problema diha kay dapat alert mangod ka dire kay you're most especially going to be the person adjust for people ba kung mag commute. Ka good, like make ka ng space. So dapat alert ka talaga. Now dito sa driver's end. Dito so this is where it gets a bit iffy for me ba kasi here ito yung hotspot para sa plete ba. Optional lang ko dito kung mag handle ka sa plete or hindi. So you're gonna wanna if you wanna sit here, go most especially dito sa sa farther end kay parang go dito. Prime sleeping spot go to ito ba? I most highly recommend this kung magtulog kayo. Uh, Recommended for for the mapayat. Ito kasi mostly for plate handling dito to ba. And like where most people are gonna like mostly sit din. The best way I can optimize the jeep sitting ba is like if alam mo na ka This is probably common sense to a lot of you, pero ano ba, basta gusto ng iba dito. Magpunta ka dito, or dito, kung mapayat ka, and like ano, kasi you save so much space, manggod. So, yan yung optimal sitting route. Pero, kung if you're a student, tapos medyo packed dito, and dito, alangan mag-floating ka dira. Pero ang problema is kung asan ka mag-adjust. If elderly, always adjust sa deep end. If like normal lang tao, ay makaya ra nila ba ay? Nag-floating naman ka, alangan mag-floating pa ka sa ano ba? That probably didn't make sense for ano. Dito sa ano naman sa front seat, na ako'y code of conduct diri ba? If na ay disabled na makita ninyo, always offer your seat up by wakoy labot kung gapoy pa ka. Pag-transfer ka sa likod kay alangan adtong mga disabled sa likod bay, magbaslisod sa laan na. Always go back here kung ay sakay na disabled. I've had that happen to me and I was getting looks kasi wala akong nag-transfer ba. And very embarrassing moment in my life. I was early in my commute game. Dito naman sa driver seat or sa passenger princess, you don't really get to do anything. Parang you're gonna wanna just chill dito ba. Always wear seatbelt. And like yung sabi ko, if may priority kay mag-alis ka dyan, punta ka dito. And like ano good, ang optimal dito kay ano kung this is a first come first serve dito sa front seat, so most likely you're not gonna get it. So ano lang ba, it's a once in a lifetime thing ba na parang malaki ka lang dito. And another thing dito sa ano ba, there are some jeeps na may ligid dito. Kung ano sila, medyo big, you should always just go up dito ba kay malisuran sa ano ba, lingkod dire. That's essentially it for my keen observations and ways of optimization in the jeepney world. Thank you. Now let's get into my mga pet peeves kung mag-jeep. So, 'di ba? I was sitting right here. Maingani ko. Nadyo'y mga tao ba nga kung magsulod yun 'di ba sa jeep. Tapos naa sila daghan kayo space diri ba, like at that time free kayo to dire. Like it was mostly like ito and like one other person dito. And alam mo anong ginawa ba, 'di ba? Nag-move ako dito. Kay may nagsakay na bago lang ba. Papunta siya sa loob. I was already on my way here. Yung nag-ano siya ba? Imagine this is me na. Nag-ano na good siya. Meron na siya dito. I was already sat here na. Dira pa nag-ano ba? Nagtulak sa sarili ba? Of course, I had to I had to surrender. It was mind games ba? He looked me in the eye. Pero I looked him in the eye din. I was lower sa rank kasi sa commuting game. So, nag-move na lang ako up ba? Yan yung problema ba kay kung ba? If they're working, if nasa like career, tapos estudyante ra ka, you are at a disadvantage kasi they earn money and you don't. Unless you actually earn money person age thing na if that's the case. Ang problema ko dyan, bike, is like you have so much space dito. You could have sat here if you wanted the practicality of it. Pero nagpugos sa akong sa akong tapad, which is the most annoying thing I can ever think of. Next, another pet peeve, one I had already mentioned, is not giving to the elderly. So, 'di ba, imagine full na kayo dire. Pero karon na partial pa. Oh, parang ganun good. I was like sat here. Manotice ko lang ba, there was like 2 elderly women na magsakay dito. And like, imagine this is a whole group of students na they know each other. Tapos, even if they had a long day, nagachismis sila. This was like a rush hour, so you could tell like everyone's like really tired. Especially these elderly women, wala sila ang mga estudyante wala sila nag-move up dire. Gipugos jud nila mag-adto dire And it's like one of the most annoying things I can ever think of kung imagine ba, kapoy na ka. Paglingkod dire ang mga tigulang. You'd have to wait like an extra 5 at least a minute before them to get down, especially if they look slow. If you don't move up for elderly I could just tell what kind of person you are. And it's not wrong kay you have your own thing din, pero it's much more socially acceptable ba to just at least like you know you might as well just move up ba, especially if you're a group. Kay all of you should be in a group na you're supposed to be contributing. Move up by kung may elderly. Some of the drivers itself. You get to a certain point sa pag-jeep na you just know the driver is bullshitting with you. It's their livelihood. If they just want to make a few bucks, of okay lang din sa akin, pero like you can ano ba, you can take some of my money. I could like give an extra like mga 6 pesos lang ba if you're just exploiting me for my plete. Okay lang good sa akin. Pero it gets to a certain point ba na when do you stop doing that kasi ba? And like okay pa lang sa akin right now, pero kung good kulangan ako ng kwarta, I would genuinely sometimes I would ask the driver kung kahit pack good ang jeep, even if it might look like I don't know how the world works, kay mag-ask jud ko by kuya akong cambio good, yan good. And it's like socially acceptable man din, everyone understands na sometimes money is just tight. You always gotta ask like ba for that few extra pesos for like potential plete din bukas ba, which is one of the factors you have to consider if you're a driver din ba. Drivers won't see this, pero it's like just a thought na that occurred to me. Thank you for listening to my Teddyson talk about optimization in the jeepney socially sitting route. I will not make any future videos unless feel go. Thank you. Goodbye.